Guys, back again. This is round 4, Flawless Basketball. Draft your hit break live here on Blowout TV. All right, guys. Good luck to everybody. Let's see if we can get a little Kyrie Irving action. Ooh, ask and you shall receive, I guess. All right, we've got 8 of 20. Kevin Garnett. Diamond base. Our Kobe Anthology pack again goes to spot number 10. That was Professor X. And 6 of 25. Uncle Drew, a.k.a. Kyrie Irving. Very nice. Hit the 2 of 25 earlier today. Oh, I like this. This is really cool. Right on top. Hometown Wizards hit. 2 of 5. John Wall. Jersey number. Then another very nice piece. 11 of 15, 3-color jumbo patch. Allen Iverson. Number 2 of 10. This is the inscription parallel. Tyreke Evans. Numbered 5 of 15, 2-color patch autograph. Bill Laimbeer. This is the first one of these we've seen today. Dual patch autograph. Mitch Richmond. The horizontal patch, 3-color. 10 of 10. This particular subset is selling for crazy cash, too. We've got 13 of 15. Autograph Chris Bosh. Inscriptions subset. Number 20 of 20, the glove. Gary Payton. And finish up the box. Greats subset. This guy's actually going to be featured on ESPN Mint Condition this week. 11 of 15, John Stockton. Another awesome box. All right, guys, that will do it. And again, Professor X is on the clock with pick number 1. Good luck.